Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to share thread posts on Instagram. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now, let's dive right in. So first, what we need to do is to simply open our Threads application here in our mobile device. Once open, what you're going to do is to simply look for a post that you would like to share on your Instagram. Say for example, I'm gonna choose one of my Threads posts right here. Now all you need to do is to click on the three-line button, and then afterwards you can see post to feed right there. So it will automatically create a new post on your Instagram if you do that. And then hit on next afterwards, add a caption if you would like to, and hit the share button in the upper right hand corner of your Instagram. And that's how you can create a thread post and share it on Instagram. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.